Ready to ditch cable and stream live TV directly on your Samsung Smart TV? I'm here to guide you through the super simple process of installing YouTube TV. First, navigate to the apps icon on your Samsung Smart TV's home screen using your remote. This is your gateway to downloading all sorts of awesome apps. Once you're in the App Store, look for the search bar. It's usually at the top of the screen. This will save you scrolling through endless options. Use the on-screen keyboard and type YouTube TV into the search bar. Double-check the spelling to make sure you find the right app. The YouTube TV app icon should appear in the search results. It's a red play button with YouTube TV written below it. Select it with your remote. You'll now be on the YouTube TV app page. Find the install button and click it. Your TV will now download and install the app automatically. The installation process might take a few moments, depending on your internet speed. Just sit tight and let your TV do its thing. Once the installation is complete, the install button will change to open. Click open to launch the YouTube TV app. The YouTube TV app will now load on your TV screen. You're almost there. Finally, you'll be prompted to sign in with your Google account, the same one you use for YouTube TV. Follow the on-screen instructions to log in. If you don't have an account, now is the time to create it. And that's it. You've successfully installed YouTube TV on your Samsung Smart TV. Now you can kick back, relax, and enjoy all your favorite live TV channels.